Well, there has been one or two little glimmers of brightness around today, but I think most of us will have just experienced a fairly cloudy, but still relatively mild day. Now we are reaching the end of this exceptionally mild spell of weather, so just turning a little bit fresher. We're going to see the return of some showers as well, and although it's turning fresher, it's going to remain frost-free. However, by the end of next week, there may be just something a little bit colder on the way. As for the rest of tonight, some showers around, a lot of cloud as well, a little bit breezy, but increasingly through tonight the breeze starts to ease off. By tomorrow morning there may be the odd little pocket of mist and fog around, and any showers are likely to be somewhere in the far northeast very first thing in the morning, but still take a look at those overnight temperatures, lows of around 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, about what we would expect by day at this time of year, so still quite a mild start first thing on Saturday morning. And initially there will be a good deal of cloud around and perhaps just one or two lingering showers, but for most of Saturday it's a dry day and we should see increasing amounts of sunshine, and there's still just a little bit of strength left in the November sunshine, but maximum temperatures getting up to 14 degrees Celsius, just not quite as extreme as the temperatures earlier in the week, but still above average nonetheless. So from Saturday into Sunday, a little ridge of high pressure, so a calm evening on Saturday, but out to the west you'll notice this weather front here, fairly fast moving feature, but the rainfall on it is quite fragmented. So let's just take a look at the detail on that for Sunday. Initially some bright weather around, a little bit breezy as well, but you must cater for a few showers, particularly for any Remembrance Day services, particularly out to the northwest. So do keep up to date on this forecast, but temperatures still holding up at around 13 degrees Celsius. Then as we head into Monday and onwards, you'll notice those temperatures just trickling back ever so slightly. It's going to be a little bit breezy and we're likely to see some showers around as well. Yeah, so it's been a fairly cloudy day for most of us. There was a few glimmers of brightness first thing this morning, but overall grey skies out there through much of the day. Now as we head through the next few days, there is a change in the weather. We're reaching the end of this exceptionally mild spell of weather that we've been experiencing. It is turning just a little bit fresher. We're going to see the return of some showers. It's still staying frost-free, but it does look like temperatures are going to take a little bit of a dip towards the end of next week. As for the rest of this evening and overnight, one or two showers around, certainly a fair amount of cloud around. And as we head towards the early hours of the morning, minimum temperatures dropping back to around 12 degrees Celsius, so still quite mild first thing on Saturday morning. Now you notice there's a lot of cloud on the charts here and just one or two spots of rain and drizzle. The location not to be taken too literally, but certainly the chance of a few showers very first thing in the morning. Then that will clear away and we'll see some sunshine developing. The winds are light as well, but what you may just notice is that the winds are now coming in from a westerly direction, and this starts the process of temperatures just dropping back ever so slightly. Maximum temperatures then into the afternoon of 14 degrees Celsius, but still a little bit of strength left in that November sunshine. Now here are your times of high water. Let's take a look at Cromer, 10 to 8 in the morning, and then again at 10 past 8 tomorrow evening. But let's take a look from Saturday into Sunday. Little ridge of high pressure building in through Saturday evening, but you can see out to this west, this fairly fast moving weather front here. There's not a huge amount of rainfall on it, but there certainly is some cloud and some showery rain. So let's just take a look at the detail of that. Throughout Sunday, a fine start. As we head into the afternoon then, there's just the possibility of one or two showers creeping into western areas. So for any Remembrance Day services into the afternoon, just cater for one or two showers and then turning a little cooler into next week.